Welcome to my channel. Today we discussed about the higher order differential equation with constant coefficients, particular integral of the form f of d into y equal to e power ax into v, where v is sin ax or cos ax or x power n model. For this problem also, solution is y is equal to cf plus pa. Here you can find the CF as usual method. Okay. Next you can concentrate on PA. CF is the previous method, you can proceed. Next here you can see what is PA, e to the power of ax into v by f of d. Here you can see the problem. It is the product of exponential and some v, where v is either sin ax or cos ax or x power n. For this type of problems, take out e to the power of ax first. Here you can see how to take out e to the power of ax. Put d is equal to d plus a. Here 1 is there, you can put d plus 1. 2 is there, you can put d plus 2. Minus 2 is there, you can put d minus 2. That I will explain by taking the problems. Okay. Here after substituting d is equal to d plus a, you can take out e to the power of ax out. V by f of d plus a. Here if v is sin ax or cos ax, you can apply the sin ax or cos ax to find PA. You can follow the sin ax or cos ax rule to find the PA. If v is x power n, then find the 1 plus x or 1 minus x whole power minus 1 rule. You can proceed in the similar manner. You can find the PA. Finally, after finding the CF and PA, you can substitute in the value, you get the solution. This is the process to find complementary function and particular integral in this method. Here, the main objective of this problem is e power ax into v is, you can take out e power ax by substituting d is equal to d plus a in denominator. Next process is similar to either type 2 or type 3 methods of finding the PA. Next, my vision of or my roadmap of the problems to solve in this method is, this is the part 1, part 6, part 6.0, part 6.1, part 6.2, part 6.3. I will give you the complete solutions for this total method. In this manner, you can verify the problems in part 6, these problems, part 6.0, these problems, part 6.1, these problems, 6.2, 6.3. I will give the lecture. Okay. Next, come to the next problem, part 6.0, part 6. First problem is solve d square minus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to x into e power 4x plus e power x into sin x. Here also for the solution, auxiliary equation is same because it is in operator form. Next, as usual, you can find the roots. After finding the roots are unequal, then complementary function is c1 e power 3x plus c2 e power 2x. Coming to the PA, here you can see PA1 is, what is PA1? X into e to the power of 4x by d square minus 5d plus 6. For this problem, here what is the coefficient of x in e power x? A is equal to 4. Put d is equal to d plus 4. Put d is equal to d plus 4 to take out e to the power of 4x in numerator. Therefore, e to the power of 4x is take out, x by d plus 4 whole square, 5 into d plus 4 plus 6. Are you clear? To take out e to the power of 4x, put d is equal to d plus 4 in denominator, then apply the x rule. Okay, here you can expand first. E to the power of 4x is out, x by d square plus 8d a plus b whole square plus 16b square a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 5d minus 20 plus 6 divided by, this is total value. You can simplify. E to the power of 4x into x by d square is first term. Here you can see d terms, 8d minus 5d plus 3d. Next, 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 minus 20 is plus 2. Here you can see it is PA3 model. Here x is there. You can take the least term common, that is e to the power of 4x by 2 into x by 2 plus d square plus 3d whole divided by 2. It can be written as e to the power of 4x by 2 into, here that is 1. You can take 2 common. 1 plus d square plus 3d whole divided by 2 whole power minus 1 into x. It is 1 by a is equal to a power minus, denominator comes to numerator, you can write minus 1. Therefore, it is in the form of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square plus so on minus so on. Therefore, e to the power of 4x by 2 into 1 minus something plus something square into x. Here x is there, you can write only one term, that is d square plus 3d by 2, d square plus 3d by 2. Next, you can ignore other terms because here x is there, you can write up to d term. Therefore, e to the power of 4x by 2 into 1 minus 3d by 2 into x. Ignore d square and higher orders. Therefore, e to the power of 4x by 2 into operate with x minus 3 into d of x by 2. Simply it is e to the power of 4x by 2 into x minus 3 by 2 because the derivative of x is 1. Therefore, 3 into 1 is 3 by 2. This is the PA1. Next, coming to the PA2. What is PA2 here? Here you can see PA2 is equal to e power x sin x by f of d. For this also, here you can see e to the power of x sin x by d square minus 5d. Here you can see d square minus 5d plus 6. 5d plus 6. Here you can see to take out e to the power of x because it is in the product. Therefore, you can take e power x out. To take out e power x, put d is equal to d plus 1 because x coefficient is here 1. Therefore, put d is equal to d plus 1 in f of d in denominator. Therefore, e power x is out, sin x by d plus 1 whole square minus 5 into d plus 1 plus 6, that is equal to e power x into sin x by, you can expand the denominator, d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 5d minus 5 plus 6. Here you can see 6 first term e power x into sin x by d square minus 3d minus 5d plus 2d is minus 3d. 6 plus 1 7 minus 5 is 2. Here you can see sine rule is where a is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, x coefficient, put d square is equal to minus a square that is equal to minus 1 in f of d, that is equal to e power x into sin x by minus 1 minus 3d plus 2. On simplification, e power x into sin x by minus 3d plus 1. It is 1 plus 1 minus 3d. To get d square in denominator, multiply nr numerator and denominator with 1 plus 3d e power x into 1 plus 3d into sin x by 1 plus 3d into 1 minus 3d, that is equal to denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3d. Therefore, e power x into 1 plus 3d into sin x by 1 minus 9d square. Here you can substitute d is equal to what? D square equal to minus 1, that is equal to e power x into sin x plus 3 into d of sin x by 1 minus 9 into minus 1. It is total 10 e power x into sin x plus 3 cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x by 10. This is PI2. Solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. Y is equal to, what is CF here? Complementary function is two roots are unequal. Therefore, C1 e to the power of 3x plus C2 e power 2x plus PI1 is e to the power of 4x by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. PI2 is e power x into sin x plus 3 cos x by 10. This is the complete solution of the problem number 1. Here both the cases are there. One is x into e power 4x, it is type 3 PI. It is e power x into sin x, type 2 sine rule, and it is x rule. Okay, next come to the next problem. Solve d square y by dx square minus 7 into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to e power 2x into 1 plus x. Here also the problem is not in operator form. First write the operator form. Next you can as usual find the complementary function. After finding the complementary function, PA is equal to e power 2x into 1 plus x by d square minus 7d plus 6. Here to take e to the power of 2x out, put d is equal to d plus 2, because here x coefficient is 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2x coefficient. To take out d is equal to d plus 2, after substituting in f of d, we get e to the power of 2x out 1 plus x by d plus 2 whole square minus 7 into d plus 2 plus 6. Simply it is e power 2x into 1 plus x is numerator as it is, a square is d square plus 4d 2ab plus 4 minus 7d minus 14 plus 6. You can simplify it. E power 2x into 1 plus x by d square minus 3d. Here you can see 6 plus 4 is 10, that is minus 4. What? It is 1 plus x rule, that is for x rule you can take least term common, that is e power 2x by minus 4 into 1 plus x by, it is 1 minus of d square minus 3d by 4. To take numerator, e to the power of 2x by 4 into 1 minus of d square minus 3d by 4 whole power minus 1 into 1 plus x. It is 1 by a can be written as a power minus 1. To take numerator, you can write whole power minus 1. It is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus so on. Therefore, e to the power of 2x by 4, e to the power of 2x by 4 into 1 plus something 1 plus something plus dash into 1 plus x. Here x is there, you can write only one term, that is d square minus 3d by 4. What is something? D square minus 3d by 4. You can write e to the power of 2x by 4 into 1 minus 3d by 4 into 1 plus x, because highest term is x is there, therefore ignore d square comma higher orders. Therefore d of 1 plus x is nothing but 0 plus 1, derivative is 1. Therefore minus e to the power of 2x by 4 into operate with 1 plus x minus 3 into d of 1 plus x by 4, that is equal to minus e to the power of 2x by 4 into 1 plus x minus 3 into 0 plus 1 by 4. After simplification, minus e to the power of 2x by 4 into 1 plus x minus 3 by 4. You can see 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to minus e to the power of 2x by 4 into 1 by 4 plus x. Therefore solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. Y is equal to, what is CF here? CF is C1 e power 4x plus C2 e power 3x, unequal roots C1 e to the power of 4x plus C2 e to the power of 3x plus minus e power 2x by 4 into 1 by 4 plus x is the complete solution of the problem. This is another problem. Coming to the next problem, solve d square minus 2d minus 3 into y is equal to x square into e power minus 3x. The problem already is in operator form. You know how to find the complementary function. It is known method. The roots are complex. Here you can see a value is 1, b value is root 2. Therefore write the complementary function. Here coming to the PI, to take e to the power of minus x out, e power minus 3x out, put d is equal to d minus 3, because a is equal to minus 3 is x coefficient in e power 3. Therefore e to the power of minus 3x take out, the numerator is x square by d minus 3 whole square minus 2 into d minus 3 is the denominator value in f of d. You can substitute d minus 3, then automatically e power minus 3x is out. Therefore e to the power of minus 3x into x square by, the denominator is a square means d square minus 3ab 6d plus b square 9 minus 2d plus 6 minus 3. Here you can see minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, that minus 3. Therefore e to the power of minus 3x into x square by, denominator value is d square minus 8d, 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 3 is plus 12. Here you can see x square is there. What is the rule for finding the PI? Here to take e to a least term common, that is equal to e power minus 3x by 12 is common, x square by 1 plus d square minus 8d by 12. It can be written as e to the power of minus 3x by 12 into 1 plus d square minus 8d by 12 whole power minus 1 into x square. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x plus x square minus so on. That is equal to e to the power of minus 3x by 12 into 1 minus something plus something square minus so on into x square. If x square is there, then you can write up to second order, that is whole square term only. Therefore d square minus 8d by 2, d square minus 8d by 2. You can write the e power minus 2x by 12. into 1 minus d square by 12 plus 8d by 12. Here you can see a square means d power 4, ignorable term. Next 2ab d square into d power 3, ignorable term. Next b square is 64 d square by 144 because by 12 into x square. Ignore d power 3 and higher orders. After simplification you get 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are. Next here you can see 144 is LCM, therefore it is in the form of e to the power of minus 3x by 12 into 1. Next, what is the d term here? The d term is 2d by 3 plus 2d by 3. Next, d square term is 64 d square by 144 minus d square by 12. 144 is LCM. 64 d square minus 12 d square, that is equal to 52. 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 1 is 4, 42 d square by 144, 42 d square by 144 plus 42 d square by 144 into x square. Here x square is there, therefore what is the ignorable terms? D power 3 and higher orders. Next you can operate with x square. E to the power of minus 3x by 12 into x square plus 2 into d of x square by 3 plus 42 into d square of x square by 144. E to the power of minus 3x by 12 into x square plus 2 into 2x by 3, because the derivative of x square is 2x. Second derivative is 42 into 2 by 144. You can simplify it, that is 2 ones are 2 72s are, again 2 21s are 2 36 are. Next 3 sevens are 21, 3 12s are. Therefore e to the power of minus 3x by 12 into x square plus 4x by 3 plus 7 by 12 is the PI value. Next solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. Y is equal to, what is CF here? What is the roots? The roots are 1 plus or minus I root 2. Therefore e power x into c1 cos root 2x plus or minus c2 sin root 2x plus e to the power of minus 3x by 12 into x square plus 4x by 3 plus 7 by 12 is the complete solution of the problem. Next, coming to the problem number 4, d square plus 1 into y is equal to x square into cos hx. Here also the problem is in operator form. Straight away you can write the auxiliary equation. Next, find the roots. The roots are plus or minus I, then write the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, it can be written as x square into, what is cos hx? E power x plus e power minus x by 2 by d square plus 1. Here you can see first term is x square into e power x by f of d is first term, x square into e power minus x by f of d is second term. Therefore 1 by 2 into pi1 plus pi2 form. pi1 is x into e power x by d square plus 1. To take e power x out, put d is equal to d plus 1 in f of d in denominator. Therefore e power x out, x by d plus 1 whole square plus 1, that is equal to e power x into x by d square plus 2d plus 1 plus 1. Here you can see total for x you can take 2 common. e power x by 2 common, x by 1 plus d square plus 2d by 2. It can be written as e power x by 2 into 1 plus d square plus 2d by 2 whole power minus 1 into x. Here you can see it is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1 e power x by 2 into 1 minus something plus so on into x. Here you can see what is something, d square plus 2d by 2, that is equal to e power x by 2 into 1 minus 2d by 2 into x, because x is there, therefore ignore d square and higher orders. Therefore e power x by 2 into x minus 2 to cancel d of x, derivative of x is 1, e power x by 2 into x minus 1 is pi1. Next, coming to the pi2, x square into here it is x square, therefore you can write x square here, x square. For x square the problem is, next you can write something square, that is d square plus 2d by 2 whole square plus so on. Next you can write the terms e power x by 2 into 1 minus d square by 2 plus 2d by 2 plus 4d square by 2, 4d square by 4, that is 4 cancel, that is into x square. For x square you can ignore d power 3 and higher order, that is equal to e power x by 2 into, it is not correct, 1 minus d 1 plus d 2 cancel, d square by 2 plus d means 2d square minus d square is plus d square by 2. You can operate with x square, you can operate with 1 plus x square. Here you can see e power x by 2, e power x by 2 into x square plus operate with x square, d of x square. Here you can see d of x square plus d square of x square by 2, d square of x square by 2. Therefore e power x by 2 into x square plus derivative of x square is 2x plus second derivative is 2 by 2, that is 1, e power x by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1 is the pi1 value. Coming to the pi2, e power minus x, that is pi2 is equal to x square into e power minus x by d square plus 1, that is f of d is d square plus 1. To take e power minus x out, put d is equal to d minus 1 in f of d, that is equal to e to the power of minus x into x square by d minus 1 whole square plus 1. You can expand it, e power minus x into x square by d square minus 2d plus 1 plus 1. Plus 2 is common, therefore e to the power of minus x by 2 into x square by 1 plus d square minus 2d by 2 into, here you can see 1 plus x d square minus 2d by 2, to take numerator e to the power of minus x by 2 into 1 plus d square minus 2d by 2 whole power minus 1 into x square. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x plus x square minus so on dash. Therefore e power minus x by 2 into 1 minus something plus something square minus so on into x square. What is something here? D square minus 2d by 2, d square minus 2d by 2, that is equal to e power minus x by 2 into, first term is 1 minus d square by 2 plus 2d by 2 minus into minus plus. Next here a square means d power 4 ignorable term, 2ab, d square into d is d power 3 ignorable term, that you know. Next 4d square, b square, 4d square by 4 cancel into x square. Here you can write the reason. Ignore d power 3 and higher orders. Therefore, after simplification we get e power minus x by 2 into 1 plus 2 to cancel d. Here you can see d square minus d square by 2. LCM is 2d square minus d square by 2, that is plus d square by 2 into x square. Here you can substitute e to the power of minus x by 2 into x square plus d of x square plus d square of x square by 2. Operate with d of x square means 2 into x square plus 2x plus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Therefore, e power minus x by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1 is pi 2. Next, coming to the complete solution. Here you can see what is c of c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. What is pi? Pi is this one. You can write solution y is equal to cf plus pi, that is equal to y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus 1 by 2 into pi. 1 is e power x by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1 plus e power minus x by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1 is the complete solution of the problem. This is cos hx model. Coming to the next problem, d square plus 9 into y is equal to x square plus 1 into e power 3x. Here also the problem already is in operator form. Therefore, you can write the complementary function. After writing the complementary function, coming to the pi, to take e to the power of 3x out, put d is equal to d plus 3 in f of d. Therefore, similarly here you can see to take e power 3x out, e to the power of 3x into x square plus 1 by d plus 3 whole square plus 9. You can expand it. What is expansion? E to the power of 3x into x square plus 1 by a square d square plus 6d 2ab plus 9b square plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. To take out e to the power of 3x by 18 common, for x square rule, x square plus 1 by 1 plus d square plus 6d by 18 into, here you can see to take numerator e to the power of 3x by 18 into 1 plus d square plus 6d by 18 whole power minus 1 into x square plus 1, that is equal to, it is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus so on. E to the power of 3x by 18 into 1 minus something plus something square minus dash into x square plus 1. Here x square is there, you can write up to d square term. Therefore, d square plus 6d by 18, d square plus 6d by 18, that is something. Therefore, e to the power of 3x by 18 into 1 minus d square by 18 minus 6d by 18. Next, here a square term is d power 4 ignorable term, 2ab term is d power 2 into d is d power 3 ignorable term. Next, b square is 36 d square by 18 into 18 into x square plus 1. Ignore d power 3 and higher orders. Here 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 ones are 2 nines are 6 ones are 6 threes are. What is simplification? E power 3x by 18 into 1 minus d by 3. Next, here you can see the simplified terms is d square by 9 minus d square by 18. 18 is LCM 2d square minus d square, that is plus d square by 18 into x square plus 1. Here you can see that is equal to d square by 18. Here you can operate with x square plus 1 e to the power of 3x by 18 e to the power of 3x by 18 into x square plus 1 minus next d of x square plus 1 by 3 plus d square of x square plus 1 by 18 that is last term. You can operate with d of x square plus 1 is derivative of x square plus 1, that you know x square plus 1 is minus 2x plus 0, constant derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x by 3 plus 2x derivative is 2 plus 0 by 18. You can simplify it. E to the power of 3x by 18 into x square plus 1 minus 2x by 3 plus 2 ones are 2 nines are 1 by 9. You can see 1 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 9 plus 1 by 9, that is equal to 10 by 9, that is equal to e power 3x by 18 into x square minus 2x by 3 plus 10 by 9 is pi. Solution y is equal to CF plus pi. Y is equal to, here you can see what is CF, what are the roots, C1 cos 3x plus or minus C2 sin 3x. Therefore e power 0 is 1, therefore C1 cos 3x plus or minus C2 sin 3x. So C2 sin 3x. Next pi is e to the power of 3x by 18 into x square minus 2x by 3 plus 10 by 9 is the complete solution of the problem. This is about the e to the power of ax into b some problems. Bye.